Missing man found with hands bound and gunshot wound to the head in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The body of a man who went missing after leaving to get water at a store was found with his hands bound and what appears to be a gunshot wound to the head. The victim, identified as Peter John Rickitts, went missing around 10 p.m. Tuesday night after visiting a store on Longwood Crescent in Greenwich Park. Rickitts' family and friends grew concerned when he did not return home, prompting an immediate search effort. Their worst fears were realized when the body was discovered bound and shot. The police have since launched an investigation into Rickitts' death, but the details surrounding the circumstances and possible motives remain unclear. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.